All right, guys, so in this problem, we're being asked to take the given values to make a table of solutions. So I'm going to take y equals x plus 3. Y is equal to x plus 3 plus 3. And I'm just going to list it here. And then I'm going to take the given values 1, 2, 3, and 4 and list them below the variable x here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is saying, hey, when x is 1, what will our y value be? And the way we'd find that out, I'm going to take 1 and I'm going to substitute it in for that variable x. So here I have y is equal to, I'm going to take 1, but I'm going to change colors just so it stands out a little bit better. 1 plus 3. Well, 1 plus 3 will give a value of 4. So my value for x, when my value for x is 1, my value for y is 4. So my ordered pair would be 1, 4. Let's keep moving forward from here. Just want to change colors again. So this time we have y is equal to, well, this time we have 2 for our value x plus 2 plus 3. Well, 2 plus 3 will give a value of 5. So when x is 2, y is 5. So 2, 5. I'm going to change colors. So this time, y it's equal to 3 plus 3. And this time we get 6. So when x is 3, y is 6 in this case. And finally, y it's equal to 4 plus 3. Well, 4 plus 3 will give a value of 7. So when x is 4, y is 7. Cool, so we've created our ordered pairs based off the given information in this equation. Let's take a look at another one. Okay, so in this problem, we're being asked to do the same thing. The table might look a little bit tricky because it's been shifted, but the process is going to be the same. So this time, the given values for my variable m, are listed across the top row. So again, I'm going to take the given values and substitute them in for m one at a time. Now notice my variables are not x and y this time. My variables are m and n. So I'm just going to make a note real quick. M is my input. So I'm going to think of this as my variable x. And n, it's my output. So I'm going to think about this as my value for y. Since n is equal to 6m minus 5, whenever I substitute a value in for 6m minus 5, I'll find out the value for n. So I'll write the equation out here. I'm going to list the answer for n below. So let's substitute 1 in for this first equation. I'm just going to change colors real quick. Actually, let's do this first. So I have 6 times some value minus 5. I'm going to repeat that process real quick. 6 times some other value minus 5. Again, 6 times some value minus 5. And I'm just going to write that one more time. All right, from here I'm going to just change colors and substitute my given values for m into the parentheses. So I'm going to plug a 1 in here, substitute 2 in here, substitute 3 in here, and 4 in the parentheses here. All right, so over here I have 6 times 1, which will give me 6, and I'm going to subtract 5 from it. 6 minus 5 will give me a value of 1. I have 6 times 2, which will give me 12. I'll subtract 5 from it, and I'll end up with 7. 6 times 3 is 18. Minus 5 will give me 13. 6 times 4 is 24. Minus 5, which will give me 19. And I'm noticing right now this list, the list up above, it goes 1, 2, 3. It doesn't go to 4, and that's my error. That's a typo. There should be a 4 in this list. So it should be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we're trying to find out what the value for n is with the given values 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 19 would be that last one. Now I'm just going to write my ordered pairs below. So my ordered pairs are when m is 1, n is 1. When m is 2, n is 7. When m is 3, n is 13. And when m is 4, n is 19. And I'm going to fix that 19 real quick. All right, so we have our ordered pairs. If we wanted to graph this on a coordinate plane, we'd be able to. Cool, I'll see you in another video.